Welcome back to our Introduction to ADK-TS series. I'm Timowa from IQAI, and in our previous videos, we covered the core architecture of ADK-TS and how agents use states to remember and share information. Today, we are taking it to the next level with multi-agent systems, how to build teams of specialized agents that work together. Imagine having a customer support system where different experts handle billing, technical issues, and returns, all seamlessly coordinated. That's exactly what we are building today. Multi-agents are specialized agents managed by a master agent for conversational AI. Think of it like a company with departments. You have a receptionist who directs you to the right specialist based on your needs. The key features of multi-agents are dynamic delegation based on what the user needs, conversational context maintained throughout the interaction, control handover between specialists when needed, and master coordination for a seamless experience. Real-world examples include customer support systems with billing, technical, and return specialists, HR assistants who handle leave management, payroll queries, and policy questions, e-commerce bots that manage product search, order tracking, and payment support. The power is in specialization. Each agent becomes an expert in its domain. But why use multiple agents instead of one single agent? With a single agent, one agent handles everything. This can become complex and unfocused, or hard to maintain and update. It becomes a jack of all trades but master of none. And as you add more capabilities, the instructions become unwieldy and the accuracy suffers. But with a multi-agent system, you have specialized agents for each domain. You have a clean separation of concerns, which make it easy to maintain. You can add new capabilities without touching existing agents, and each agent can be optimized for its specific tasks, leading to better accuracy in specific domains. Think of it this way: would you rather have one person trying to be a doctor, a lawyer, and an accountant, or would you prefer three specialists who are experts in their different fields? Creating specialized agents in ADK-TS is simple, where each agent has a clear and focused purpose. Notice how each agent has a specific role in this example. The joke agent only knows how to tell jokes, and the calculator agent only handles math problems and has its calculator tool. This focused approach makes each agent excellent at its job. Now, we need a manager to coordinate these specialists. The manager knows about all the available specialists and when to use each one. It reads the user intent and delegates to the appropriate experts. And if something doesn't fit any specialist, the manager handles it directly. So when a user requests for a joke, it uses the joke agent. And when the user wants to perform a calculation, it uses the calculation agent. And if the user requests for a service that can't be performed by either the specialist agent, the manager handles the request by itself. The beauty is that users don't need to know about the underlying architecture. They just ask the questions naturally, and the system automatically routes the user to the right expert. Let's trace through how delegation actually works. When the user says, "Tell me a joke," the manager analyzes the intent, sees it's about humor, delegates it to the joke agent, and the joke agent responds with a programming joke, then returns the control back to the manager. And if the user asks, "What's 2 plus 2?" the manager says that it's a maths problem, delegates it to the calculator agent, and the calculator responds with the answer 4, then returns the control back to the manager. Now, remember states from our previous video. Specialized agents share the same section state, which enables seamless context flow. This shared state means that context flows seamlessly between agents, so there is no need to pass information manually because each agent has the full conversation context and continuity is maintained across delegations. This is what makes the experience feel unified even though multiple agents are involved. Multi-agent systems transform your AI from a generalist into a team of specialists. By breaking complex domains into focus agents, you get better accuracy, easier maintenance, and scalable architecture. In our next video, we will explore agent workflows, how to orchestrate agents for automated processes using sequential, parallel, and loop patterns. Why multi-agent systems are for conversational AI, workflows are for automation and batch processing. Have you built multi-agent systems before? Share your experience in the comment section. And if this helped you to understand more about multi-agents, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.